Good morning mga ka-ML Auto Deals. So meron tayong bagong dating na unit na Toyota Corolla Big Body GLI 1975 model, top of the line. So newly repainted, so napakakinis ng pintura, all intact. So maganda ang sidings, all power steering, power side mirror, and power windows. So automatic transmission po to mga bossing. Nakakarera seats na rin po. At silipin natin ang ating second row seats. Napaka-intact. Walang kapunit-punit ang ating second row seats. Okay, napakalinis. All electricals and gauge are good working. Power windows all working. Okay, so silipin natin ang 360 viewing ng ating sasakyan. Napakaganda po niyan mga sir at ma'am. So wala na kayong pagagawa, nakarehistro, malamig ang aircon. At higit sa lahat, kompleto at original papers. So, tingnan natin ang kanyang dashboard. Napakalinis, napaka-clean. Ang kanyang interior, walang damage ang ating dashboard. All intact. Sobrang maalaga at maintain ng previous owner itong ating unit. So, bagong change oil na rin po pala, bagong spark plug at bagong kanyang fuel filter. So 1.6 16 valve EFI 4AFE. So sa mga interesado, just PM us. We are located at Binyan City, Laguna.